Hello and welcome to another episode of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm sharing with you what I got for Christmas, which another thing I received was the Baby Cakes waffle sticks. So I've already made the batter, well halfway made it. I have the dry and wet ingredients. So let me go ahead and get started with that. So basically, I have my dry ingredients in here, and I want to give them a nice little stir to make sure all the baking soda, baking powder, and salt is incorporated with the flour. So I have 2 eggs in this liquid measuring cup, and I want to make sure to break those yolks. You know how the yolks always run from you. Ooh, had a couple drops run away there. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and add this in there. Ooh, I still missed a yolk. Did you see that? They always run. That's all right. I'll get him. All right, so I'm going to mix this. Just until everything is combined. So we want everything light and airy and nice. So it will be a little lumpy. And that is okay. That is the nature of quick batters. Make sure you scrape your sides and your bottom. Make sure everything is incorporated. Okay, so everything's incorporated. There are some lumps, but that's all right. You know, as I said, that is the nature of quick batters. So I'm going to put this aside to rest a little bit. And so what I'm making today, I'm making waffles, but my little twist today is I'm going to be adding some of my strawberries that I made the other day. So I know they're beautiful, but we are going to be cutting them up. Alright, so I'm going to cut the tops off first. Get rid of the greenery. That was nice though. One last look at this beautiful strawberry. But you know, they're going to get to the point where they're not going to be edible anymore. So I'd rather eat them in my waffle than let them go to waste. And since I'm using the baby cakes, I'm going to make sure they're in relatively small pieces instead of large chunks. Just so it fits the waffle maker I have better. So I'm going to go ahead and put my broken up strawberry or chocolate covered strawberries in the bowl. So I'm actually not going to add my strawberries directly into the batter. Because I might want to make a different flavor. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get a second bowl. Alright, so put a little batter in here. Alright, now we're going to put some of our strawberries because we don't want too many in there, or else it's not going to cook right. Alright. So there we go. So one thing about this, it said it came with a measuring cup. And I opened it up, there was no measuring cup. So, and I didn't even see room for a measure cup, as they said was in there. So, I'm going to guess you put about a 1/4 cup in here. I'm going to take my 1/4 cup and use that. So, and if that's not enough, maybe 2 of these will work. Alright, so we need to fill up the individual ones. Okay, I think it's a 1/2 cup that you need in here. Let's see how this works out. Okay, so I'm seeing that I'm having major leakage here. So the 1/2 cup was a little too much. But again, I didn't have the measuring cup. And it didn't say how much the measuring cup holds that they had kept in there. Alright, the light just went off. So they do say you should be wearing oven mitts or something when you pick these up, because the steam might get you. Alright. And I'm just realizing in my haste, I forgot to oil this. I hope I didn't mess myself up. Okay. So it's actually working pretty good, especially, you know, because, you know, chocolate is sticky. So it's actually lifting up pretty easy. Alright, so there we have it. Our chocolate covered strawberry waffle. Alright, it should be just about ready. It should be pink any moment now. So you always watch this indicator light. And this is hot. You know, I am surprised with the size waffle it makes. I was expecting much smaller after seeing those itty bitty donuts that they had. Alright, it's done. Be careful of the steam, of course. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these. It always looks better on this side than the other for some reason. I don't know why. But here they are. So I'm going to decorate them. So let's see. So let's go ahead and let's put some of this extra chopped up chocolate covered strawberries I have. Have that. And then I'm going to put a whole strawberry, because we do have an extra one. We actually have a couple. So there we go. See, we still got a couple left. So that's my chocolate covered strawberries waffles. Is that how you would call it? So maybe just chocolate covered strawberry waffles. So they look good. I can't wait to get into this. This one's actually not mine. It's going to my mom for her to have for breakfast. But I'm sure she's going to love it when she sees it. I would have her on camera, but she's camera shy. So thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.